Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Civil Engineering Trainer. My name is Faisal Sabir. Today we are starting the lecture of AutoCAD Civil 3D. So in this lecture we will learn how can we save and import bands of profile in Civil 3D. So our subtopic is how to save bands of profile and create new profile with design level. Then how can we import bands on new profile. Then finalize profile view. You can also see our view. This is our bands which we created last time, and in this lecture we learn how can we save this band in Civil 3D and how can we import this band on new profile. This is our new profile. Actually we last time create, and Civil 3D gives us facility that we can also use this band on some other new profile. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So let's start. So you can see our computer screen here. One profile is ready with full bands. Okay, so first of all we save all these bands, and after that we import this band on new profile. So first of all we select here and right click profile view property. Okay, so you can see here our bands. So first of all we select here save as band set. So I select here name Faisal bands. Okay, this is my name, so I just give name this one. So apply, then okay, apply, then okay. Okay, so second thing is that we just save this band. So you can also see this here, we also save this band here and edit label. See this one, import band, save band. We have to select here cancel bands. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay. And you can also save this file on some specific location, like I save this file on desktop, file with full bands. Okay, so you can see here our file is ready. Now we open one new profile that have no any type of bands. Okay, so I close this one and I open some new profile from here. So you can see here one new profile. So here I just want to open this one and remove all these previous bands. This one, okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here. So I want to import on this one. So first of all save this one, Control S. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, now we need to go on manage. After that import from here, click here, then go on desktop profile with full band. We just select this one and open. Okay, so you can see here our band is starting to upload. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. This is depend on your computer. If your computer configuration is better, then your profile not take long time. You can see here uploading. So you can see here some bands. Okay. Do you want to import style from another drawing? We say yes. Okay, so you can see here. So you can see here our drawing is just final. So you can see successfully imported 27 style in 1418 setting. Okay, okay. So see here our sum adjustment of top band is automatically he pick. And next band we will import here. So select here in profile view property. After that import band from here. Okay, click here. Our band name English band, Faisal band. Okay, I select this one, Faisal band. Okay, see this one 7 band. NGL, PGL, station cut fill, vertical, horizontal, and super elevation. Okay, we just need to select here the name, profile one, this one, and you just need to select here PGL vertical. After that you need to select all PGL and after that PGL. Okay, here also need PGL, apply, then OK. So you can see here for all bands super elevation, we just need to calculate super elevation here. So click here and click on super elevation, calculate super elevation, now. Select same method outside of curve. Next, this may be 10 meter. Okay, next, no need here. Next, and 4 is not okay. Okay, finish. So you can also see our view of our alignment. See here, all type of setting is ready here. If you want to show here some bands and some super elevation views, so you can also select here, select on this alignment and import alignment super elevation. Okay, add this one here. Okay, after the basic you just need to select critical point. Okay, apply, then OK. So you need to select here, see this one. This is the proper view of our alignment. See this one. So this is the method to save and import band on a new profile. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So if you have any question related to this topic, so please comment in comment section. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.